Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Now we discuss about the product for intent and implementation of automatic vending machine using VHDL. Next we see the abstract for the product. Design of area and power efficient high-speed data path logic system are one of the most substantial areas of research in VLSI system design. The digital architecture is mainly used to all type of real-world application and architectures, and these architectures to modified based on the enhancement purpose. Finite state machine modeling is the most crucial part of developing the proposed model, as this reduces the hardware. Nowadays, the vending machines are well known among the Japan, Malaysia, and Singapore. The quality of machines of these countries is one of the top worldwide. This is due to the modern lifestyle which requires the fast food processing with high quality. This paper describes the designing of multi-select machine using the finite state machine. Modeling is the most crucial part of developing the proposed model, as they reduce the hardware size. In this paper we propose the 4 state using the selection, waiting for money insertion, product delivery and serving has been modulated using the Mealy machine model. These proposed design are tested using the VHDL process and to develop the FPGA methodology. The vending machine are used to dispense various products like coffee, snacks and cold drinks, etc. When the money is inserted into the vending machine have been in existence in 1980s. The first commercial coin is operator machine was introduced in London and England, used to selling the postcards. The vending machine are most accessible and practical than the conventional purchasing methods. Nowadays, these can be found anywhere, like at the railway station, selling the train tickets, in school and office vending drinks and the snacks. Next we see the flow diagram for the product. First, start the initial position, select the product. If select the 4 type of product, if anyone select to select the if product is available or non-available conditions. If anyone no select, we select the first select product buttons. Then if product is available, enter the direct money from the selected product. Then the money is selected. 2 type of conditions to be split out in right amount or cancel this request. If right amount is accepted, then the yes no conditions to apply the inserted desired money for the selected product. If yes conditions, then product output will change the return if any. If cancel the request, instead of money is returned and to end the service. This process is flowed by the flow diagram for the process. The vending machine is applied to the 4 product selection. This the selection of the product is transferred by the all conditions and to delivered by the initial positions of the level. Then the money is obtained by the our 10 rupees and 20 rupees product, which product is not available, just we return the money from the initial service. And finally we display the output for the product. Then select the AVM process and to create the Xilinx ISC project. This project is developed by the VHDL language and structural modeling used to the VHDL language. Just we open the Xilinx IC project, then select the simulation results and select the simulate behavior model. The program is to create the process for the VHDL language and to select the simulate behavioral model, just we display the output for the required transaction conditions. Then the process simulate behavioral model completed successfully and create the ISM project list. Then the simulation results to be applied. We apply the binary input result and passes the simulate final results. Then the clock to activation signal. The reset function to control the reset input output results. Then the selection control in if anyone has the selection process. Answer is activated. Then there will be 10 or 1s will be checked. Then the reset function is deactivated. Just we apply the clocking signal for the required state machine condition process. The state machine conditions to be modified by the our required output process and check the transition conditions and to apply the product results. Then return the output amount money and changes to be 0 and the product count to be initial 5 positions and the money count to be initially 0. Then apply the final result process for the automatic vending machine using the VHDL language. Then close the simulation result and to implement the synthesis report, just we select the implementation and to run the view RTL schematic diagram routine. Then to diagram representation to apply the RTL schematic diagram. This diagram is to represent the what are the logical blocks placed by the in our automatic vending architecture. Then technology diagram is to run the add and create schematic. Thus the technology diagram is to represent the what are the lookup table and the flip-flop output pairs, then the wire connection for the automatic vending machines architecture. Then design summary to create the synthesis report. Just we calculate the device utilization result for the area measurement of automatic vending machine. Then calculate the timing summary results. The minimum period is 1.979 nanoseconds. The frequency 505.459 MHz, the clock frequency level, and the latency level to be after and before clock calculations for the timing summary results.